We're back. And someone's gonna play this time.
Oh, I'm scared.
Okay, fine.
Put the music on.
Oh, that's right.
Stupid.
Shut up.
Hey, pinchy puto. Oh my god, it makes it worse. Let's go. Let's go party. No.
Your legs are in your face. Okay.
No, only no spaces.
What? I'm not doing anything.
That looks like an ass.
Looks like yours. I'm joking.
It's all green?
I'm joking. Yeah, because you like to wipe your butt with leaves, and it just leaves a stain like that.
Oh, it's like no one touches me anymore.
I still touch you. Inappropriately, but...
Whoa. Where is it?
What?
I'm looking for it.
Looking for the tape recorder?
Oh, slur. The tape recorder, slur.
Oh, you gotta look to the right and the left of this third pad, because there's like little places where it'll be... Oh, look, see, there's a place like it. There'll be one in there somewhere.
Okay.
No, not like that. The rock. Like, turn left. And there's... No!
Where do I go?
Turn just a little bit. Alright, that little noose area.
Whoa. That's...
Yeah, see, that means that there's a tape recorder.
Oh my god,
Why would you turn the light off?
no, so I don't want to waste it.
You're not able to live the whole thing.
Oh my god, I'm scared now.
Okay, hold A.
Hold it. Where's A at?
You gotta look down at it.
It's like sex who's gotta look fucking down at the bitch. Oh my god. Okay, oh my god, I'm so scared now.
It's okay.
Oh my god, sweet Satan's tongue nipples. I'm scared.
You want me to do it for you now?
No, fuck yourself.
Okay, god damn. You shouldn't even be that scared.
Oh my god!
Stop, don't look at it.
Oh shit! I was looking. Oh well, I'm dead.
Hang on.
Okay.
You want me to do it or do you want to?
Holy fuck, that scared me.
Just don't look right at it again.
I'm not.
And if you hear growling, you need to run because that means it's like right behind you.
That just doesn't scare me out loud. It scares me so much.
What, looking down?
No, the growling.
Oh. If you don't hear growling, it just means you could be anywhere.
Satan has giant boners.
I've literally like jumped and like broken my arms and stuff. Not like completely, like actually broken my arms. Like it hurt them really bad.
Oh my god.
Because I'll be playing and I was with Brad this one time and it teleported right in front of me and I just nearly shit myself on.
Oh, that's hot.
Like turtle head.
I had a dream that Satan was chasing me with a giant boner.
That's really odd.
You don't have those dreams?
Yeah, but it's usually you chasing me with a giant boner because you have a strap on you. I'm like, and you're like, why are you wearing a condom if I'm gonna use?
I don't want that to.
Just don't look at it. Just don't look at it. Don't look at it. Okay.
Oh my god, it's so static. I was gonna get chased.
No, it's just a statue thing. You're not supposed to look at it.
Toad's 5 Facebook. Oh my god. What the fuck?
Do you want me to take it from here or do you want to play it more?
You do it. I don't want to chase freaking Satan's horny dick.
Well, excuse you. I thought that was interesting. Oh, Birdman's on. We can play with him later.
Oh, I'm gonna be leaving. I don't know when.
Ah, no. Okay, tell your mom you can't leave until we finish this game. Or we die. One of those two. Weedle. What's that? Oh, that's a leaf. I knew that.
Really?
Sorry, I was rocking into a rock like the last 10 seconds to any ones. This is like, okay guys, this game's like Slender to like the extent you have to find 8 tape recorders. It's exactly like Slender, except there's perks, disadvantages to like some of the characters, and it's multiplayer basically. So it's pretty much the same game. It's just multiplayer and those perks that you can unlock. With
those look like giant dildos, dinosaur dildos.
Whoa! It looks like my butt dead. What? Oh, like this graveyard.
Why is there a church there?
Church of Satan.
Satan.
Yeah, look at that. This mink. Oh, it's right behind us. Fuck.
Oh my god, no, I heard that. Turn around, big man.
You want me to turn around? Oh, that's surprising.
Oh my god.
God damn it. No. No. Whoop. Oh shit. Just imagine when I look out this light on Mars.
Oh my god, he's right there.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I saw that.
Oh my god.
Right there. Oh, he's gone. That means he could be anywhere now. We can turn around any second. If you think this is bad, you haven't even heard. Oh.
What?
I heard growling.
Are you sure you heard that last time?
Yeah, I heard it last time and I turned around and he was there. He was just around the corner. But, oh my god.
Is that him?
Yeah. That little growling noise,
Yeah.
that means he's like right behind you. And, oh great, the light's already flickering.
I don't like this.
Dude, with lights out, me and Brad were like shitless, dude. We couldn't even fucking handle it. we were in a room for like 30 minutes trying to look for a goddamn tape recorder, and it just got to the point where you saw him every 10 seconds. Oh god. Yeah, that's pretty terrifying. Okay, that's surprising, hasn't it? Holy shit.
No! Oh, what the fuck?
There's a ghost here. I'm playing single player.
Hey.
There we go. God, he's right fucking behind us. By the way, Brad, if you're watching, I figured out more of the mechanics.
Holy shit!
Son of a bitch. I think, okay.